Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel, and today I'm gonna give you a quick update on my sugar baby watermelon. I am so excited. Look at these beautiful watermelon, and they are just running and just bearing all over along with the cucumber. And please excuse my infant, he's making a lot of noise in the back. I'm sorry. Watermelon, and they are, I think each vine will give you 2 or more watermelon, which is great. I have like 8 or 9 vines, so in total so far what I can see on the vine is 6 watermelons. So we have 6 watermelon, we have some cucumber right there, we have those cucumber, we have cucumbers everywhere. I didn't realize that I planted so much cucumber. I actually made a mistake in the garden as well in my raised bed, because what I did, I put everything in my raised bed. I put the watermelon in there, I planted the cucumber in there, I planted the pepper. So I planted everything in this little raised bed. Everything is kind of clustered together, but they are producing food, and that's the most important part. And that's what I am excited about. They're producing food, and I am actually eating from the garden. At the end of the video, I show you guys some veggies that I steamed from my garden, and those are stuff that I harvested from my garden early on. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you for watching, and this is just a quick update. Thank you. Those are carrots. My amaranth, they went to seeds. And cayenne pepper. Those are cayenne. So what I do, I let the vine just run free in the yard. Just run all over. I think we get more from it when you just let the vine loose and let it run all over. Some onions I put in the ground. Over here we have some corns, and the corn are looking really good. See that little bug? Another corn. And lots of cherry tomatoes. And over here we have our blueberries. I just transplant out these blueberry into a bigger container. Get it from the container that I purchased it in. So what I'm doing right now, I am pruning up all my strawberries. Still a good looking leaf, so what I do instead of cut off all the leaves, I just cut the bad part off, because the leaf is what it feeds from. There we go, all pruned up. Cooking from the farm. These are veggies that I harvest from my garden. You see, I have thyme, I have cherry tomatoes, I have cayenne pepper, rosemary, lettuce, cabbage, kale, carrots, all from the garden. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video. Hope you enjoy.